Karbianglong Autonomous Council Calendar Ateng Rongker Karkli Rong Rup Ki Khan ke Media Phan Hem Pro Hirju Me Keha Assam Minister Sarpo Sarbananda Sonowal Thang Chriset ke Bani Bachalang So Amterengalong Nang Sunji Towar Kaslamo ko thak kachingwai Langpur MSC constituency along work culture cycling. Kardom, ada beberapa lang penili belum grupi non biotang tanpen archeita. Karbianglong Autonomous Council calendar ateng thang phorni Karbianglong pen ana rong along rongker arkli dunsi ningkan ni siang mong rong rup ke klem kedam okpran la pen oviang bong mesen mi etpen ke dolong jepan hem phorna mi herjume chang renti. Arong along rongker karkli kipaduason West Karbianglong along tapin an arong along rongker karkli dun Karbia jutang ateng rong siru bisi hamhang si jirti don drop hen purui sok sang la pen chukren tudam ki meja pan rongker arkli si arna parni pen chipami Baithalang sopen karni seperang ke jasan ihi nang kilo biodang Assam Minister Sarpo Sarbananda Sonowal thang Chrisir Kep Arni Akimi Rihinga Mia Sai Kang Pujia Phan Baithalang so Amtereng Havar Nang Sunji Busi Baithalang Sopen Nilituma Perangke Karni Salang Biodana Pade Assam Minister Sarpo Sarbananda Sonowal thang Chrisir Kep Arni Baithalang so Amtereng Aroy Amang along Kasalam Mintreng Hydroelectric Project Kang Pujia Phan West Karbianglong Nang Sunji Minister Sarpo Sonowal Kewang Jalam Pen Non Malom Baithalang Sopen Amtereng kachileng atuar selam bomlo bonta tuar kaslam kimi mia jong rongsor thurpak si contractor aphan kham khedun lo tuar kaslam kacharwo sailam West Karbianglong District Deputy Commissioner pen Superintendent of Police atum arjulong sinot hejong baithalang so hawara rapen la so puthak chingki jithasi kacharwo sailam mon sampen chepajut mon samamai long contractor aphan baithalang so pen amtereng atuar mesen pen kaslam je aphan pachini Langpur constituency along work culture ke badujia phan ason ka jing thora sai MEC pen kedeng pusi katni salong biotana pale Langpur ABC constituency ke parlo bahoni adorso pudum pukhuri along voka ke pangreng hem salam si Langpur constituency along work culture ke badujia phan isi sai modeng pon laso ki mya sai MEC Ram Singh Timung adeng pen si long e sompon lo Long eke soma mai long Bukulia Town Committee Kimia Chairman Hem Singh Teron Lepen Ward Commissioner Lepen Rong Sart Hea Tung Chetong Dun. Namalam sopor panbir tamang tamanik sinang.
Moner Children Park cum picnic spot, a place to visit for sure. The park is filled with eye-catching flowers, some medicinal plants and nursery. A perfect place for your children and family. For more queries, please contact 91014 33731. 936520712. Moner Children Park, Chirikangnet, Ward number 4, Depot, Karbianglong.
Please tap in Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, one step to the world of fashion. All kind of facilities are available here such as hair spa, bleaching, makeup, pedicure and manicure, hair forming, straightening, body spa, facial, threading, waxing, etc. For more information, please contact 6001-863-460. Rose Gold, a newly opened beauty parlor, first floor, Cakes Legacy Building, Main Market, Diffu. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, affiliated to CBSE, New Delhi. Admissions open for Montessori, LKG, UKG, class 1 to 9 for the session 2019 and 20. Facilities like boys and girls hostel, crash babysitter, art class on Saturday and Sunday. Registration forms are available at school office on all working days from first week of December 2018 from 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Aturkimi Academy, Diffu, Rukasan, Amlapati, Diffu 782460. For more queries, please contact at the number given on screen. Free admissions for Montessori students, sponsored by Aturkimi Society.
Ganj Assam Hill Small Industries Development Corporation pen Arniwang Hemalong akenang sa hormu ason salam pontanglo. Lasinang litum Arniwang kenang sot kecu ason la penthesri alang hithi gulat along longpon ikji. Kang tirtang kijun alang tharwe alang theso alang kecu ajam tu tharmit aduk thelua kreng chitronola ukthor pen chenglok ongdung hemalong akenang sot hormu longpon ikji.
Dihenamo Piputhan Bir Talong Bangtholo. Karbi Anglong District Transport Asai Campaign Thang Pli Arni Pen Thang Kep Arni An. Thom Kebang Deng Road Safety Week Talonji. Laso Hiti Rui to Warke Jok Wana Rui Mate Road Safety Week Katalonji Apan Asona Son Cherok to Asai. District Transport Asai Campaign Kachesika Birta Katni Salong Nang Pali. Karbi Anglong District Transport Asai Campaign Thang Kep Arni An to Warke Jok Wan Arui Pathak Cherok to Asai Padoponji. Transport Asai Campaign ke Panong Hiti Rui Katalonja Asai Mek Puson Henlo. Thang truck Arni Diffu Karing Bus Counter Along Adap Krisia Porpen Driver Asiki Kipi Lapen Gari ke Pangplong ke Pachara Tumapan Kenep Araki ke Chopen Gari ke Pangplong Tumapan Sodak Pen Sai ke Deng Doji. Thang truck Sioni Diffu Karing Bus Counter Along Thak Adap Krisia Porpen Akijoy Pen Mek Sat Kilang Lapen Helmet Kachikup Kia Tumapan Kenep Thang Ner Kep Arni Towar Kijok Wana Pothak Chirok to Sai ke Deng Thang Sir Kep Arni Driving license Kilang Seat Belt Kavi Fitness Kavi Agari Motor Lapan Kinep Lapen Thang Kep Arni Enforcement Pen Kilang Chari Lapen Towar Kijok Wan Arui Apothak Chirok to Alo Kiron Paduj Kachini Jia Pan Chithan Thume Thom Kebang Deng Towar Kijok Wan Arui Katalon Jia Pan Thang Pli Arni Si Diffu Karing Bus Counter Pen Pangcheng Chinthong MSC ke parlor par Chinthong umlap her pathwa klamalong Assam Sarkar pensika kuti ke patangka pen auditorium hall indoor stadium gallery lapen open stage hai hui normalom ke kim ke rang ke patang dab jia phanpura sai kamatum do de sang se pen sai ke klem pon bom abirta non hejong pherang ke pen birta na pali Chinthong constituency along non malom ki kim ke rang pon bom ke pathua dim ke pathu ke lang phan gallery indoor stadium hai hui jongsi Tanglo te Chinthong riswe ejang atumta asonason ki pathua dim warsai longpo lapen prekjam ki pathua son ke thega bang phubang phiatum anse ki pathu ahin ke paprang dun japa chesik longpo posi Chinthong riswe ejang atum chithan rinti Chinthong hawara long lapuson kating thur amo ki ban thega jok Chinthong constituency MEC mate Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Pradip Rong Pia Phanta Ratatum pen Kachuru alam the pajerpon bang so sai ki messenger phan Chinthong hawara rata arpudupta ongdung ratatum chithan rinti Adaba birta mangila pons kang thon boniglo tumi thakme korong thu